2013 Acura TL. Dark blue metallic. Aluminum sport alloy wheels with new tires. Tinted windows. Dual chrome tip exhaust. It's well-kept gray leather interior. Carpeted floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Memory driver seat. Lumbar support. Heated front seats. Automatic climate controls. Premium sound system with subwoofer. Free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Auto headlights with fog lights. Just under 114,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come by and see us at Cupholders.